Test 1, 2. Test 1, 2. Okie dokie. Moin. So, ja, ich bin auch im Short. Ich habe schon einmal Take Profit genommen. Der Rest läuft noch. Yes, I'm also in the short. We want to talk English. Here, that position is still running. I'm aiming for the news candle lows, the earning candle lows, and just let it run as long as the candles stay red. Yeah. And if they start to turn bullish, then I'm exiting. But as long as it's just keep falling, we take it. We take it. So for everybody watching the recording, the setup presented itself before 3 a.m. and it's a pretty good setup because we have like previous day high sweep. After previous day high got swept, we got the shifted market structure. You can see like this old consolidation then brought resistance in price, and we just moved further down. If we look at this price action on the 1 hour chart, you also can see this was a pretty nice entry. You had like 1 hour equal highs in front, or maybe equal highs, I don't know. Let's look. Okay, maybe I'm exiting my trade. I have to check 1 moment. Yes, I exit my trade for now, and I will just re-enter later maybe. But on the 1 minute, as you can see, I was just holding my short from up here, and this bullish candle right now crossing the 9 EMA or whatever this is. 9 EMA. I'm just out. I have enough profit for this trade. This was a really good trade. Where was I? I was here. Okay, so the trade was previous day high sweep, shift the market structure, big hourly gap, 2 equal highs on the hourly chart. This could also be maybe a long trade. This could here, as you can see, maybe here at 2 o'clock, maybe some SMT at the lows, boom to the upside. And here from this area on, we got the bearish momentum to the downside. Here were also like equal lows to target. And we also have divergence with the ES. Zack, ES. If you look at this one, here you can see at the top also big divergence. Previous day high sweep, here no sweep, etc. It was a really, really good trade and really, really good setup. And I think we will continue to push to the downside more. So I am just waiting to maybe re-enter this short trade after some retracement. This is the basic idea right now. So again, for today, short executions, pang pang. Pang pang. This we take off, off, off. Yeah, normally I don't enter before 3 a.m., but as I saw this setup, and I always emphasize, you don't have to be the first in a move. Because you can see here, I came pretty late to the, what means pretty late, but for this trade, I was in pretty late. I just brought the breakdown to the downside. And then I trailed my trade, one take profit, then okay, look how much further can it go, and then okay, bullish momentum kicks in. That's enough for me. This was a good trade. And if we look at the price area here, here was my entry. Oops. And because I was suspecting like a further breakdown, I said to myself, okay, like I put my stop loss somewhere here. This fucking magnet. Somewhere around here or even closer. And I just want this price point to be resistance now. No? And this happened, and then just follow the candles. Yeah. Easy trade. Pre-London. Back to 5-min FVG, Dan down. What is Dan? Can you tell me what is Dan, bro? What is this Dan? Yeah, so we are nearing the end of the hour. This is good for some retracement, maybe form some gap here to the upside, and then we still follow. Yesterday we had tariff news and earnings. This is all this move and liquidity, I guess, because this candle has like the spike to the upside and downside. This might be the tariff thing. But I just see this as news candles, like here earnings stuff, and that the market might want to take out the opposing side of those candles. So I mark this out as my targets. I just call it whatever. Earnings, tariffs, KKG. Wait, I check ChatGPT for the exact time of tariff news. ChatGPT is confusing me. Okay, ChatGPT says those tariff news were at like irgendwo hier. So this is earnings. Angelo, but you can check it again for the timings of the tariff news. You got me a little bit confused. Okay, so now our scenario, something like this. Who's Angelo? Yeah, it's some crazy guy. He is like some superhuman special force. Yeah, crazy guy, you know. I'm scared of him. Especially in the shower. Put little trade somewhere in the corner so people know we are already trading, but waiting for the next setup. So now I have my YouTube chat again on my left side. So when I talk with you, I see you. Don't be confused. Who of you know this guy? He's my mentor. He watches me. Hello everybody watching in, tuning in. We already took a short trade. Pretty nice one. And yeah, now we are waiting for the hourly change and maybe some retracement to go further down short and aim for the earnings candles to the left side. We will see. We will see. So we have hello IAJGIAJ. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't. Okay, 3 a.m. hits the market. So I hope for some retracement, to the upside, and it's not shooting straight down. that would be the ideal move. Like tap into the 15-minute gap. This would be top to then short it again. Now I'm watching the ES, what ES is doing. The ES is just falling. Yeah. ES still falling, so NQ might follow. I just want a little tap in this gap. Just give us the tap. Okay. That's good. I'm looking to short this eventually. I always like to see like a clear breakout, clear body closure, candle body closure below the low. So yeah, I'm not sold on this position right now. Yeah, pretty lame at the moment. Just accumulating here in this range since 3 a.m. open. The accumulator. As already outlined, for every new viewer, first, welcome. I'm only looking for shorts in the context at the moment. I either want now a clear breakout to the downside to short the breakout, or I want a retracement to the upside, tap in some fair value gap, sweep consolidation, and then go further down, or like breakout, go further down. I'm not interested in longs. My targets are earnings candles from yesterday after market close. And yes, I already got a good trade. Normally, I would close my desktop, my PC, and come back for New York. But of course, I'm here for the stream, and we try to catch another trade. Okay, so now we might get the retracement we want. Ay. Okay. Okay, not okay. Okay. Alarm here, alarm here, and now I chill on my phone. Okay. Eyes on the price. gap is tapped. Okay. Okay, I try to short this one more time. Either go short or it does not go short. I have small risk. Stop above the high and let it either fly or it goes long now. No financial advice. You in? That's what she said. My finger is on the close button because I want a break down. And if it just stays in this range, then I will close it. But right now I am still a believer. $32975. Okay. Get ready. I might scratch it. And flat. Nope. I wait. Let's see what the next 15-minute candle brings. Go away. Yeah, I suspect that we will consolidate like this maybe until 3:30. 3:30 also it brings some nice liquidity and movement. Yo, how we doing? Yeah, we're doing good. We also already got one good trade, but this was off stream sadly, and now. Where is it? Where's my trade? Here's my trade. Okay. And now we're just waiting for an eventual continuation to the downside. Yeah, but first, some retracement to the upside is good. Price action is pretty boring, pretty lame. It seems like the main move was this. But we have some time left. And yeah, 330 can be the next magic number here. 330. Zack. Yeah, it's just accumulation, guys. So, if you are trying to trade inside this, it's pretty bad, as you can see. No traders. No traders because price actions ugly. Ugly shit. And for any new viewer, little update. I deleted it all. Okay, but yesterday we had earnings after market close. I see this just as news candles, as news liquidity, where price likes to sweep the opposing side. We had the previous day high sweep, some market structure shift to the downside. And we took one trade short, and now accumulation. We tapped into some 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah. And we are waiting for the continuation to the downside. So this looks pretty good, this bearish candle. Yeah, but this is the low. And here I would want to see another bearish candle, of course. Maybe body closure below to show me we leave this consolidation. But we don't. We just stay inside. So we wait. Or you take some trade, put your stop loss, set and forget, and you go somewhere else. But I'm just looking for quick trades, quick breakouts, trend following, price action. The price action is crazy. Okay, so my last hope is for us 330. 330, always a nice liquidity injection, a good trading point in London. So we have some patience, 7 minutes, and then we either get a move or we don't get a move. We either get a move or we don't get a move. Okay, I think I need to set alarm again, just at the low, but also at the high. Because if I keep watching this, I go crazy. So I'm just chilling on my phone and maybe look at the chat. I mean, I love live streaming, especially when we look together at a range of 8 points over 30 minutes. It's really nice. It is magnificent. One minute till the moment of truth. Do we get another trade? $30. Okay, so again, same scenario, like some sweep into the gap and then maybe a bullish reaction. If we get some, if just the rocket shoots up into the sky, okay, then it is like it is, or then it is what it is. But if this turns out to be a turning point, then might short it. Short it. Like here, previous area, support, turn, resistance, something like that. Or just right now, sweep, bearish close. Let's look at the next minute. We have some SMT going on for my brothers using divergence with the ES. But I'm still not sold on the trade. Okay, this might be from my 11 or 12 live streams the worst price action from them all. Crazy lame. Crazy. I might try my short depending on the close and the momentum. Hello, Dominic. Yes, I outlined my whole trading system in the German course on YouTube. It's 1 year old, but still I'm trading the same. Of course, some refinements and some fine tunes, but in general, this is exactly still what I'm doing regarding market structure, key price levels, price action trading. That's a good idea. I still recommend it a lot. Okay, guys, the last 5 minutes, then I call it quits. Yeah, Franklin, Cruz, me too. I just got the trade to the downside. Yeah, and now it's just crazy. This is just, BS. Accumulation. I mean, in general, we all should love accumulation then because every movement starts with an accumulation, but you never know how long this will go on. Typically, this could go like the full hour, could it chop around. That's why I only want to trade when I get a clear breakout. Yes, true. Yes, I stream every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I try to be online at 2:45 to make some pre-analysis, and then when some volatility at 3 a.m. kicks in, normally, that's normally the best time to then judge and trade, then take a trade. But in the time we are waiting, I'm going over my short setup from today because this was a really good trade. Maybe you did not hear the analysis before, so we are going about it. We had previous day high sweep. Then we had a big sell to the downside. Some gap formed. At this gap we had two equal highs on the hourly chart. And when you went down here, the setup just presented like as already outlined. With accumulation, everything starts. Accumulation, price taps into a point of interest, like here this hourly gap, sweeps two hourly highs, retests the accumulation here to the left side, and from here on then just bearish momentum and good downside targets. So this was the short trade. You could also put some other factors in this trade, like the divergence with ES. If you trade this as an extra confluence, you could see like at the highs that we had some divergence, here at the highs, as some extra confirmation, or even maybe even here at the trade entry. Okay, but what do I see now? I see 5-minute candle again, rejection, bearish close. I really want the short. Targets still earnings candles to the downside, and I want this trade in the live stream with you guys. Okay, but okay, 5 minutes are over. Okay, my friends. Wait, maybe the NASDAQ reacts because I want to close the stream. Okay, doesn't matter. You know the idea. Maybe you can catch it now or just wait for the New York session for good liquidity. Yeah, exactly. Watch a breakout at 4 a.m. Yes, it's right. It's true. Always at the hourly changes, there can happen some magic. Okay, with that being said, I wish you a very good day. What day do we have? What day? Thursday. Okay, so no stream tomorrow. Okay. I wish you a great weekend. I wish you everything and see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.